With Eric about the storm that's moving in. I guess the question is, how long till it starts to happen?
Yes, and are your kids going to school tomorrow? Just watch the bottom of the screen. Eric, I know there are probably a lot of kids up late tonight watching that.
Oh, yeah. Do your homework. I always think that's the best way to go, unless it's an all-out blizzard. You want to do your homework. This is not an all-out blizzard, but there are a few, see, at the bottom of the screen there, with some closures tomorrow. We have winter storm warnings up across the interior and some winter weather advisories near the coast. It's going to be more mixing and warmer temperatures. That brings lower totals. So here's the system that we're watching, a really weird one. We've got this draped out front, a band of snow that extends all the way down to the Gulf Coast. Little weak area of low pressure is just getting started off the coastline. That will track right around Nantucket tomorrow, and that's a close pass, which will bring in some milder air, which is why we're dealing with some rain. Temperatures are in the low 30s right now. There's not a ton of cold around the region. That's another reason why I think we'll see some mixing and some wet snow during the day tomorrow. A band right now has been slowly chugging out of New York State and working its way off toward the east. Some light snow across western Massachusetts, also northern Worcester County and Middlesex County, and heading up towards southern New Hampshire. Most reports here have been an inch or less. And a few snowflakes and even some ice pellets have been hitting the ground across Cape Cod and the islands. This will change to rain tomorrow morning, which will wash anything that falls tonight away. So here's a look at the full timeline. That kind of gap between those two bands will fill in by 4 a.m. and during the morning we get our steadiest snow. So mid-morning in particular, the main impact of this whole thing is just for some poor visibility and some snow falling during the morning commute here. I think that's the main takeaway. There's not a ton of wind and there isn't any coastal flooding or any other issues. Now near the coast we've got this wind off the water. So as we get toward mid to late morning, you see that 35-degree temperature in Gloucester as well as Boston, mid to even some upper 30s South Shore over toward the Cape. You're going to change over to rainfall, and any snow in eastern Mass is going to be very wet as those temperatures rise. The other good thing to go along with that is that crews have a better time keeping up with the snowfall when it's not all that cold out there, and this is not a particularly cold storm. So we head into the afternoon, things will wind down from west to east. I think the evening will be in much better shape. So our snow totals, because of some of that mixing in the wet snow type, just expecting 1 to 3 from Cape Ann down through Boston in areas off to the south and east. Buzzards Bay over to the Cape and the islands. Anything that falls as snow tonight washes away as rain tomorrow. 3 to 5 across much of Metro West and heading up the 495 corridor. And then 5 to 7 possible northern Worcester County, southern New Hampshire, and western Mass, essentially because we have that band already there tonight, adding a little bit more snow. Plus it'll be a little bit colder, easier to stack up, and no mixing there. In terms of our impact on the roads, it's all about the morning up till about lunchtime. The afternoon, the intensity will die down, and we'll look at some improvements on the roads. And there you see the highs, basically everyone getting above freezing for tomorrow afternoon. After this, well, it's not going to stick around for too long. Thursday, it's not warm outside, but it is sunny. Friday, a little bit milder, partly cloudy. We're up into the mid-30s. On Saturday, we jump up into the 40s, and we're still in the 40s to around 50 on Sunday. It looks like a pretty quiet weekend, and certainly by Sunday, any snowfall, even for those who get the highest totals, will be gone. And for the Patriots, looks like 40s, partly sunny skies at 3 o'clock for kickoff, and all told, can't complain about that here in January. Much better than the divisional round. And here's your 7-day. Next week, a storm system tracks to our west on Monday. That should bring some more 40s and a chance of rain late Monday into Tuesday. It might be just cold enough at the beginning for a touch of ice with that one. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right, Eric, appreciate it. Thank you. Actress